discussing an iPhone with me is that every time a new iPhone is launched, Ankit is the first guy to criticize it, and then after he plays around with the iPhone, he's the first guy to say that, oh my god, बहुत ही बढ़िया है.
Not always. No, not always.
You did it with the 6S Plus. You own a fucking 6S Plus. You use
I
it.
own a 6.
You get capacitive gloves also. You can buy those, like they have a little metal thing in the thumb that works. little metal. So on the 16th, which is yesterday, the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, not Pro, went on sale, and apparently the 7
Sold out, no surprise.
7 Plus is selling more than the 7.
But that's actually not surprising because that's the only phone jisme you get the dual lens camera.
No, but like
And frankly, that is the only big hardware change apart from the, oh my god, it's shiny black, oh my god, it's not so shiny Ahuja black.
usually they do.
Where are we?
In Delhi?
No, like there's some insane street art and graffiti.
Yeah. There's a street art festival now, so that happened.
But where is this?
This is Lodi.
That's amazing, man. Yeah, so Apple's not going to divulge or disclose how many phones are they selling because I think somewhere they are also a little skeptical and scared that the iPhone 7 may not sell as much as
The Pro. The
iPhone
Plus.
6.
I keep saying Pro.
No, iPhone 6 or 6S.
No, but
because
like-
they've been immensely successful.
The point is that the 7 Plus is very successful. In fact, the 7 Plus is sold out for 6 to 7 weeks in the US. Including the jet black one, which is they're not giving a shipping date anymore. I feel that people who bought the 6 and the 6S, they realized that everyone with the 6S and 6S Plus and 6 Plus had better battery life, had
Correct.
better screen size.
And it's just, more screen real estate.
Yeah.
The amount of content everyone's consuming, be it Netflix or whatever else, you need a bigger screen.
So if you think about it, 2 years ago, people wanted a not so large phone.
Smaller, yeah.
And now they want a large phone. So
And interesting because this year they also released the 6SE,
yeah,
which was for people who still want a small phone.
5 SE.
Was that 5SE?
It's just called iPhone SE.
Oh yeah, shit. iPhone.
That now
The phone to buy, if you want to buy, if at all you want to buy the new iPhone.
it's better than the Note 7 as long as it doesn't explode in your pocket.
No, I thought you were not going to talk about the explosive phone that Samsung has
It's
made.
the most explosive phone ever made, man. What are you talking about?
Ever.
It's not like, I mean, even iPhones blew up. I remember this
5S. 5S blew up notoriously.
this French policeman standing outside a government building was checking his Facebook and it blew up in his face.
Lithium-ion batteries, if not made properly,
Yeah.
can explode because that's just the technology. Incidentally, Sony was the first company that made lithium-ion batteries for phones and the chemical formulation and the packaging so that it doesn't explode.
Usually, a Note device gets 3 months of research
Quality
and
check.
development on quality
Right.
assurances, which they reduced by 1 month to pre-launch the phone
Before the iPhone launch.
before the iPhone.
Oh, beta.
So they reduced the 1 month on testing, and this is what happened. So next time they better launch in September instead of
No, but
in August.
My guess is, I mean, I understand that they wanted to launch the Note 7 before the iPhone 7, but a brand new Note device, something as important as that to Samsung mobile phone division, work on that would happen for like 10 to 11 months, right? Immediately.
No, but so this is what happens, right? They have segments for each aspect of the device. Part of
Yeah, I was saying Apple and Samsung cannot be held to the same standards because Apple is the Bhishma Pitama. They have pioneered the smartphone touchscreen space. So I will not expect from Samsung what I expect from Apple.
There is another aspect of these things that most people fail to acknowledge is the kind of service that Apple gives, the kind of ecosystem that Apple has developed around their devices. So if you do own an Apple TV, if you do own an Apple MacBook, if you do own an iPhone, then the kind of system that is in place, and if you start using it, it is very difficult to create that with third-party device.
The Huawei P9 has a camera that is as good. That is as good as the iPhone 7 Plus.
You haven't even played with the iPhone 7 Plus. How do you know?
I just know it.
Bas Valmiki has come down and given him this gun. But beyond that, and Huawei has one is black camera. I mean, not to be racist, monochrome.
Oh God. Once mono. The iPhone dual lens mechanism actually is closer to the G5, where there's a telephoto and there is a wide angle lens.
Agreed.
But
irrespective, I mean, forget the spec upgrade. It's about if somebody's using a 6, if he wants to upgrade to an iPhone.
See, okay, it always makes sense when you are using an iPhone जो 2 generation पुराना है.
Right.
So the phone that I'm eyeing is 128GB, 7 Plus.
Matte black.
Matte black.
Of course.
Okay. That is for 63,000 rupees in
one,
US.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's not talk about it right now. But
I'm not supposed to have it. Yeah.
But in India,
you didn't see that.
In India, the 7 for 32GB is for 60,000. What is this messed up pricing?
Bro, I think half of the money goes to the government.
Taxes so
half of the money goes to the dalals. Half of the money goes to the police.
Pulse.
Half of the money goes in protecting the 2.5 crores worth of iPhones that get stolen in New Delhi.
What is up with that? And that to iPhone 5S.
Why the hell were 2.5 crores worth of iPhone 5s in a truck in the first place anyway in 2016?
What is happening? Kya hai ye sazish?
Anyway, so I don't know what. Maybe they were fakes. Maybe they were one of those like bhai phones. Another thing that a person very close to Apple has told me is that the jet black version will not go on sale in India at all.
Why is that?
Because apparently they're already sold out globally and the demand is so much that they rather satisfy European and American markets than to satisfy the people who are going to buy the jet black.
No, but I'm sure they have inventory allocation for each region.
Apparently they will not have it initially and they will launch it later on in November or December.
Or jiske liye extra price मांगेंगे.
No, they're not going to ask extra for it, but like eventually, like if you go and buy it from dealers and all. In fact, I spoke to a bunch of dealers. They said that there will be a black markup on iPhones despite the fact that they will go on sale officially because of the demand that we are already getting. Dealers and all already have registrations for a phone which is not even, there is not even a system in place. Apple has not even told them how they're going to sell this phone, but they already have like hundreds of registrations.
See, fair enough. For a phone that costs the 128GB 7 Plus will cost you 82,000 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. The guy who is going to spend 82,000 rupees
will not get a jet black version, unfortunately.
No, he can get his phone already from Hong Kong, from a Singapore,
but not everyone
from a US.
Not everyone is traveling outside, Ankit. Not everyone has sources outside.
Fair enough.
Not everyone wants to rely on warranties from outside. People buy it for a peace of mind situation also, so that they don't have to worry about कि अगर मेरा phone खराब हो गया, I'll have to wait for the next person who goes out, fixes it and brings it back. It's not going to work for everyone. I mean, for us it's okay. We are out of this country every 3 minutes, but not for everyone else.
Note 7 is going to launch again.
So on the 21st.
What is up with that?
I mean, it was a disaster. It is still a disaster.
No, even the whole recall process has been really sketchy.
But apparently in the US only 15% of the phones have been returned and the rest of them are still in the market. People have not returned them. Out of the 1 million phones that were sold, 120,000 have been recalled.
And apparently there's a website, I mean not website, on Samsung website itself, you enter your IMEI number and it shows whether your phone is at risk or no.
Apart from that, they've also sent out OTA notifications where I got one where it says...
Did you get yours replaced?
I'm in the process of getting it done, but until the new ones come in, they're not really going to replace it, so I don't want to return it till then. You get an OTA that says, you get an over-the-air push notification that says, power down your phone right now and contact the nearest. It's like,
oh God.
Turn it off, please.
And the only difference in the new Note 7 is that the box will have
an S
written in blue.
Which is, any grey marketer who has an old phone will not be able to create that sticker and stick it on the box and sell you the phone pretending it to be a fixed phone. That is such a fail.
Very smart move. Oh, fancy graffiti.
Some people can see it, I'm sure.
Wow.
Anyway, so...
No, but that's interesting.
Pathetic.
By the way, have you guys seen Stranger Things?
So the top 4 shows on Netflix, let's talk about those. Stranger Things. The Get Down. Narcos.
And Chef's Table, France edition, 4 episodes. Epic stuff. But make sure
There's also Scorpion for everyone who loves tech. It's a far-fetched show about this one guy who helped the FBI save the US 1 billion times.
Oh, amazing tech show. I mean, tech-inspired show has to be Mr. Robot.
But it's not
Oh
on
my
Netflix.
God.
We're
No, of
talking
course
about
it's not on Netflix.
We're talking about Top 4 shows. So I think Chef's Table is out because it's only for some people who like to cook food, which is you and me,
No,
but
it's
not everyone
about
else.
cooking. It's about people who love to eat good.
Yeah, it's nowhere near MasterChef, by the way.
What? There's no comparison.
Exactly.
I think my money is on the December return of Nokia Android phones. That's what I'm betting everything on right now. And I know that they will have a feature phone strategy plan and smartphones.
So with everything, you mean your specs?
Yeah.
That's basically everything that you have.
Absolutely. Everything that I have.
Okay. November, December, MacBooks are going to get upgraded. The MacBook Pro will get a touchpad and a OLED display above the keyboard. So that's going to happen. Samsung's going to launch their bunch of phones.
A, B, C, D, E,
yeah.
F, G, I, J, J.
So I'm sure they're going to do like and they're going to push. I think they're going to launch the S8 by the end of this year.
By the end of this year.
Yeah, to recover from the losses of the Note, they need a big flagship. Everyone's been talking about it. I feel that the S8 will at least, they'll start talking about it, if not officially launching.
No, but February is typically the release cycle
yeah,
of
but
the
they
new Galaxy S.
usually by January they start talking about it,
Yeah.
and in February they launch it. This time they're gonna either launch it in December just to make up for
or
all the
actively leak and seed information.
that will start to happen, I think, next month onwards, because the return of the Note will not be like the return of the Jedi. It is not going to happen like that. That's about it, guys. This was me and Ankit doing this special edition of Weekend Horsing Around in New Delhi. So if you have so
if you'd like to see us horsing around again, do write in the comment section if you'd like us to
if you like us to
अबे ठंड लग रही है इतनी ज़्यादा तेरी गाड़ी में.
Anyway, so if you like this episode, guys, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and spread it around with your friends. We like to see it all over social networks. But also leave questions. Next time onwards, we'll try and do some questions, answer some serious, in-depth technology things like why we need underwear. You can follow Ankit on his social networks that are on the screen right now, and you can go say hi to him over there. You can also follow iGyan on social networks that are in front of me right now. And until we see you next time, Ankit Vengulekar has some parting words of the wise.
तू मेरे अगल बगल है.
Please do not. Drugs.
लंबरदार.
What sound is that?
लंबरदार.
Why motherfucking here?
सब ठीक हो जाएगा. मैंने एसी बंद कर रखा है.
तू ना गर्मी से मौत हो रही है मेरी यहाँ पे. पिघलने वाला था मैं अभी 3 मिनट 25
चल
सेकंड
चल
में.
चल.
Baby, quit playing games with my heart, with my heart.